Welcome to our Compact Laundry Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the COMFE 1.6 CUFT Portable Washing Machine and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. Both of these appliances are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorms. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE's washing machine offers 1.6 cubic feet, which is suitable for small loads, while the Euhomy dryer boasts a larger capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, allowing it to handle more laundry at once. This difference is crucial for users who have varying laundry needs, especially in a compact living situation. The COMFEE's washer comes equipped with 6 wash programs, including normal and delicate, catering to different fabric types and laundry needs. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer features an LCD control panel with 4 drying modes, providing versatility and ease of use. These features enhance the user experience and efficiency of each appliance. In terms of pricing, the COMFEE's washing machine is priced at $329, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. The Euhomy dryer is slightly more expensive at $339, but it offers a larger capacity and additional features. It's essential to consider what you value more: affordability or additional functionality. To wrap up, both the COMFEE washer and the Euhomy dryer have their unique strengths. The COMFEE's is perfect for those needing a compact washer with essential features, while the Euhomy provides a larger drying capacity with advanced controls. Consider your laundry needs and space constraints when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.